Welcome. We're breaking down leadership into 3 powerful pillars for real, sustainable growth. So, what really separates a good leader from a great one? Well, it all comes down to their foundation. These core ideas are for building success at work and creating a well-balanced life. Okay, pillar number 1. It's all about mastering time. The one thing you can't make more of. Exactly. Time is your most valuable asset, period. How you spend it literally shapes your entire life. And this quote just nails it. You can't get time back, no matter how you spend it. It's gone. So think about how you approach time at work, at home, and with friends. It changes everything. So what can you do? Here are 2 simple steps you can take, starting right now. All right, moving on to pillar 2. This one's a big one. Enabling relationships through communication. Because look, great communication, it's the bedrock of every strong connection, both at work and at home. Without solid communication, those meaningful relationships we all want, they just can't be built to last. You can use these anchors to actively improve communication with your team, your family, pretty much everyone. And here's your action plan. Just focus on one relationship. The ripple effect can be huge. And for our final pillar, we're looking inward. It's all about unlocking yourself through self-awareness. Why? Because really knowing yourself is how you start to lead with true, genuine authenticity. Think about it. All the growth you see on the outside, it has to start from the inside. So talk about self-awareness with your people. It's a game changer for literally everyone's growth.
It's simple, but doing this can give you some seriously profound insights into why you do what you do.
Okay, so those are our 3 pillars. Let's pull it all together and map out the path forward.
Here it is in a nutshell. Time, communication, and self-awareness. Each one has a simple action you can take. Nailing these is your foundation for lasting success. So the only question left is, where will you start?